how to use American Express in Gcash. So first things first, you're gonna have to make sure your Gcash is verified, and if it is, you can link both your Amex into Gcash. So open your Gcash app and make sure the account is verified again. So only verified accounts can link international cards like Amex. So once you've done so, just go ahead to your profile and you should be able to see the My Linked account options. And as you can see right below the Gcash card, there is an American Express virtual pay. You can register yourself with that if that's what you have. But anyways, if you don't have the virtual pay, that should have that as long as you do have the card. But anyways, once you do so, you should be able to use your Amex and Gcash. So once linked, you can cash in, add funds from your Amex directly to Gcash, treated like an international card transaction. You can pay online, use your Gcash wallet balance topped up via Amex to shop, pay bills, or buy load. And if needed, you can also withdraw, move money from Gcash to a bank account, or withdraw via Gcash MasterCard with the partner outlets. So, for important reminders, fees may apply to this. Amex may charge a foreign transaction fee if your billing currency is not at PHP. There's cash-in limits, depending on what limit Gcash gives to you, compatibility, and there's some sort of alternatives where you can also enable the Gcash American Express virtual pay card, different from your physical Amex, but this is mainly for shopping online with sites that requires a US billing address, which is the one we are showing right here. But if you want to just add your card, there is an option right here in the very top where you can just enter your American Express card details like the card number, expiry, the CVV, and then the billing address. But anyways, that is how you connect your American Express in Gcash. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.